Hey guys, what's up? You reached the Random 55 YouTube, and today I'm coming to you for another soldering video. This time we're going to be learning how to solder Traxxas connectors right here. Can't see it? That's what it looks like. Just like that. So, I already have my soldering iron warmed up, and so let's get on with the video. First off, you have to pop out these metal tabs inside here. Those little metal things in there. Right there. And so, the easiest way to do that is to stick a screwdriver in here. And just pop it out just like that. And like that. And the tabs are out. And you pull them out. And then here's your tabs. That's what they look like. Okay, now I'm going to stop real quick, and I'm going to zoom in, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now I have the tabs right here. Turn around this way. I'm going to take my wires that are already pre-tinned. They're all ready to go. And I'm going to take my iron. Now this is probably really tricky, so Traxxas connectors are really weird, but probably one of the best connections you can ever get. There's actually a very small solder line. I don't know if you can see it. Can I bring it up here? If you can see it, there's a line right here in the actual thing, because you cannot solder past that line. And sometimes I mess up on that, but I only put a little bit of solder on there. So, I'll help you guys out. It's pretty much the same thing as a Dean's connector. You hold, since if I had no solder on here, you're pretty much the same thing as a Dean's connector. You just put pressure onto the actual lead, and you just put a little bit of solder on there. Keep in mind that these do get really hot because they are copper. Yeah, and it does not matter what side you put it on for the connector. So let me just move this up here. Let's put the camera down a little more. Okay. So now I'm going to take this one out of the way. I'm going to take my black wire here. Put pressure on it. Very difficult to do. Wait until the solder melts a little bit. And there you go. Not a bad connection at all. They're a little tricky to get, but as soon as you get it, you'll end up getting it on there, just like I just did. Just like that. And now I'm going to do the other side. Now, keep note, spread these apart just a little bit, make life a little easier. Take my soldering iron again. And apply pressure. And there you go. Let that cool off for a little bit, and I'll show you guys how to install it back into the actual connector. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back now. Now I have the actual connector in my hand right here, and it's marked with a positive and a negative side. So we're going to take the negative wire, which is the black one, and you're going to make sure you put it in with the solder joint facing upward at your face. So you're going to put it in there just like that, and you hear it snap or click in just like that. Same thing goes with the other one, just like that. It clicks right in. And that is how you solder a Traxxas connector. A little tricky to do, but you'll get the hang of it. Alright guys, thanks for watching and take it easy. Peace out.